You need to watch this tutorial video until the end if you're struggling to get clients on Upwork to hire you. As you can see, I've closed 51 jobs on Upwork. That means I've closed 51 sales on Upwork. And you still need to watch this video if you're struggling to get jobs outside Upwork platform, any other platform like LinkedIn or any business you do. If you're struggling to get clients to make sales, then this is the right video for you, right? I have a solution to help you close sales. Okay, so without much ado, I'm going to share with you a simple hack that if you implement it, you make sales. So if you are given 5 opportunities, you are likely going to close 3. That's a good one, right? So what is this simple hack? It's just all about understanding the client's job description and then killing the interview. And I think that is where most people fall off. They don't know how to kill a job interview and close the sale. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. So before we go into the tutorial proper, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're going to get more updates on video I make regarding freelancing, business, and finance. And if you're struggling to learn a skill, if you're struggling to make money online, scroll through my channel. You'll see important videos that will open your eyes to several industries that will help you make money, especially in foreign currencies. So I hope you have subscribed. So let's go into this video. So right here in Upwork, I have done 51 jobs. That means I've closed 51 sales. And the way I close sales is on a call, right? You take a client on a call and then you close the sale. You discuss with the client about what he wants to do, and then you tell the client what you have to offer. And of course, you close the sale and the client pay you and then you deliver for your client. Now, even outside the Upwork platform, I still use the same strategy to close clients, right? Take them on a call, on Zoom meeting or on Google meeting, discuss their need, and then tell them what I can do for them. That's how it is, and they will close the sale. So how do you close sales? That is the big question. How do you close sales? How do you pass through the interview? How do you convince the client to pick you other than your competitors or other freelancers? That's exactly what I want to show you. So the simple track that you can use, the simple hack that you can use to close sales or win more job is understanding your clients and hitting their pain point. So what's the pain point? Is let's say, for an example, you go to LinkedIn now, you go to LinkedIn, you go to jobs, and then you see so many jobs: customer service representative, crypto social media manager. There are so many jobs. So how do you apply for the job? When you apply for the job, you're mostly going to be called on for an interview, right? Called on for an interview, just like what it happens on Upwork. When you apply for a job, they will interview you, and it's mostly on a visual interview like this, and then they'll determine if you are fit for the company, if you are fit for the role. So how do you kill that job? Now, the first strategy you need to kill the job is by you understanding what you do proper. Let's say if you're a social media manager, what does social media manager undergoes when it comes to actually doing the job? Because if you're learning the social media management, they're going to teach you how to post, how to create content, but they don't really teach you the actual KPI that is expected of a social media manager. And if you don't really know the actual KPI that is expected of a social media manager, you find it very difficult to impress your client in the interview session. Find it very difficult to win the job or win the client over. Okay, same thing happens to customer service rep. If you don't really understand the full KPI structure of a customer service rep, then you find it very difficult to win the client. Find it very difficult to close the sale. Okay, so how do you not know the actual KPI? You can use platforms like Gemini. Okay, you can use platform like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to discover the actual KPI of every skill set. Okay, and when you discover this actual KPI, that is what you're going to use as a bait to win the job. For example, now you can see what I asked Gemini here. I say, what's the KPI of social media manager? What is the KPI of a social media manager? Then this is a response. KPI or key performance indicator are the metrics social media manager use to track how well their efforts are achieving specific goals. These goals can vary depending on the company and the social media strategy. but there are some common KPIs that most social media managers track. And the first one is what? Reach, engagement, conversion, customer certification. These are the four basic KPI for a social media manager role. So if you're going to an interview as a social media manager and whatever thing you are telling your client does not satisfy the wish they're going to get in a month or in a week or bi-weekly, the engagement they are going to expect from your activities, the conversion they're going to expect from your activities, and the customers satisfaction they're going to expect from your activities, they are less likely going to win that client. They are less likely going to close that sale. Because for a client to look for a social media manager, they have troubles with getting to wish to more audience. They have troubles with engagement. They have troubles with conversion, and they have troubles with customer satisfaction. So when they are looking for social media manager, they are looking for a manager who is going to solve these their troubles. Right? Though they may not tell you, but this is what is included in the job description. This is the actual KPI that they're expecting of you. There can be more to it, but these are the foundation of a social media manager. So when you're sending a proposal or you're sending an offer, these are the things you have to pinpoint. These are the pinpoints you have to let your client know. So you let your client know if you're hiring me for a period of 1 month, this is the expected reach you are going to get in social media platform. This is the expected engagement you're going to get on your social media platform. If I'm managing it, this is the expected conversion rate you're going to get, and this is the expected satisfaction your community is going to experience my work. So if you're able to pinpoint this stage, then you'll stand a high chance to close that sale or to close that client. So this is a strategy that you can use to fully understand your client job description and to fully understand where you have to focus more. Okay, focus more. Now, if a social media manager is talking about I'll post 5 content a day or post 3 content in a week, okay, or they say we'll post 4 videos a day and 4 videos or 10 videos in a week, but they're not actually telling the client how much this video can go, how many people see this video, what is the expected engagement in this video, to not make sense to the client, because the client is in business, and for them to record your job is success, they have to get increased reach, increased engagement, increased conversion, and increased what satisfaction. So all social media managers who are watching this video right now, these are the four, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 focal points that you have to focus on in your job, in your proposal, in your offer. These things has to be vividly outlined for your client to see. With this, your client will have no doubt to hire you immediately. And for every other job type, you can do the same thing. Use Gemini. Use this prompt. What is the KPI for a, let's say, content? Let's say a KPI for a brand graphics designer. So, respective of your skill or your service, Gemini will be able to tell you the actual KPI you have to focus on if you want to close any sale. Okay, so you can just copy this and then replace this with the service you're offering or the skill you're offering, and then hit the button, and then to tell you the actual KPI that you need to know. So now for brand designers can be measured by KPI that focus on different areas such as the design efficiency, the client satisfaction, the brand alignment, the design impact. So if you're a designer and you don't know these 4 basic KPI, you'll find it very difficult to retain clients, to win clients, because every client who is looking for a brand designer, these are the 4 focal points or the 4 foundation that they want the designer to be able to cover. The design efficiency, how quickly and how effective your designs are. So there's certification, how are they satisfied with your final product? Your brand alignment, how is your design aligning with the brand itself? And then the design impact, how is your design making impact? How do people experience the design? Is your design making sales? They're not getting engagement. These are things that they need to know. And if you're able to pinpoint this in an interview, you easily close the clients than every other smartphone designers, because they don't really know. They only focus on, I'll design 5 content for you in a week and so, but they don't talk about the client pain points. These are the pain points for the client. So whenever you're going for any interview or you want to close any client, don't just do it randomly. Try to be professional and focus on the pain points of every client. And the pain point lies in the actual KPI. The actual KPI. The client may need something outside of this scope, but whatever thing it needs falls or still boils down to this foundation, this basic KPI, and you can easily get the basic KPI from ChatGPT or Gemini when you use this prompt. What is the KPI of? Then you put your service or you put your skill there and you click hit, and it will ChatGPT or Gemini give you the actual KPI that you need to focus on, or that will determine if your job is a success. Okay, so don't play with this update. It's a simple hack, but it goes a long way to help you close more sales, to help you win more jobs. Whatever platform you're trying to use, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Upwork, whenever you go into an interview, whatever your skills are, you should be able to know the basic KPI that is required of you, and you should be able to push that, because that is your client pain point. So be able to address that. And if you do just this, you will close many sales, and of course, you make many money for yourself. So let me know what you think about these updates. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and I want to give you the best feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further updates or tutorials like this one. See you in my next video. Bye for now.